Hi guys, Miss Sailor here. Here are your instructions for the kindergarten through second grade melody composition project. And we are going to use 3 notes with our composition today. And it's going to be just, if we look at Music Street, do, mi, and so. Okay, if you notice, these are all traveling by skips. Okay, so in music we have skips and steps. So we would have skipping from do, skips that house to go to mi. And skipping from me skips that house to go to so, okay? So when we write it on our staff, it's going to look like that too, okay? Now here are the signs that go with them. Feel free to sing along with me. Do, mi, so. Okay, and you can see as I do those, you can almost kind of see the skips in there too, right? Okay, so you're going to need a piece of paper and a Sharpie marker, or you can use a Crayola marker or any other markers you have. You can also use a pencil or pen. Just the lines are not going to be as thick or as easy to see, so marker is probably best for this. You're going to make 3 staff lines. Now our normal staff has 5 lines, but we're going to reduce that since we only have 3 notes, and we're going to make the notes skip on the lines. And we're going to add our 5 line staff back later, because sometimes when we're first learning music, there's so much to learn, it gets really confusing. So if we can make it simpler, then we will. So this is our 3 line staff just for do, mi, and so today. So you're going to add your meter in the front, and meter is the way that beats are grouped, and they're usually grouped by accents. So you have meter of 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So the accent is on the 1, and that's also march tempo. Okay, so da 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 da. So there's an example of 2. We have meter of 3. The accent is on the 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Da 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 da. Da, 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 da. Also known as waltz tempo. So that's something you could easily dance the waltz to, okay? Meter of 3. We have meter of 4. Okay, a meter of 4 is also known as common time because it's the most common meter. Okay, and the accents are on the 1 and also slightly on the 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is most common for rock and roll songs, okay? Da 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 da. Da-na-na-na, 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 da-na-na-na. Okay, so today, because it's the most common meter, we're going to use 4. So what you would do is in the beginning of your 3-line staff, you put a 4 there, okay? And then you draw a line and you draw a ta. Now this ta is not part of your melody. It is simply showing what the meter is. So this means 4 beats per measure. And today we're going to do a full measure of melody. So you're going to need to make sure your melody has 4 beats. Okay. And if you remember, the song that I did on Google Meet was Where is John? Where is John is a farmer. He's kind of lazy though. Okay, I think he's taking a nap when he's supposed to be doing his responsibilities. So here's what the song sounds like in case you missed the meet. Where is John? The cows are in the corn again. Oh, where is John? The old gray man has left her pen. Oh, John, oh, John, oh, Johnny. So we're going to make our rhythms out of corn today. But you have 3 choices for your notes. Bottom line is do. Middle line skips to mi. And top line is so. So you're going to choose which notes and which solfege notes you use. Okay? So for example, I want my melody to start on do. And I want it to start with a ta. So I'm going to draw an oval on the do line. Remember, the line goes right through the middle of the note when it's on the line. My nose is on the line. I think you're doing fine. Okay, so that's my do. All right, and I'm going to make little lines going down and across because the cows are in the corn again. I want it to look like corn. Okay, then I put my stem on the right side. Okay, kind of looks like a B. No, that looks like a D, not a B, D. And that makes my ta. Okay, so I have 1 beat. How many more beats do I need? I need 3 because I have to have 4 total. Okay, so then you decide, okay, do I want it to be a teet-tee on 2 me's? Do I want it to be a ta on 2 me's? Do I want it to go right to so? Do I want it to stay on do? Okay, you decide where you want your melody and your notes to go. One thing though, this line and above, the stems go the other way. So let me show you. I'm going to do 2 me's. I'm going to do 2 me corns. And looks like that. Okay, so the stems go on the other side. Okay, like that. So what does my melody say so far? Do, mi, mi. And how many beats do I have? Don't say 3. It's not 3 because teet-tee only has 1 beat, right? Okay, so far my melody says do, mi, mi, and I have 2 beats. So how many more beats do I need to make the 4? I need 2 more. So then you got to pick, where do I want my melody to go? Okay. All right. So I'm not going to do the rest of it for you. You have to make your own melody. Okay. Then if you send them to me, I will post them as videos in Classroom. Okay. You'll get a little shout out for whose melody it is. And I'll sing and I'll play it on my guitar for you so you can hear what your melody sounds like with real music. Okay. So this is halfway finished. And this is my finished product that I did earlier. Okay. So my finished one from earlier was do, so, mi, mi, do. Okay, so I want to see what kind of melodies you can create. So go ahead and upload them to your assignment, or you can also email me a pic at lsaylor, with an ER, at sylvaniaschools.org. Bye guys, till next time.